Hello, welcome back to Madhu's Plates YouTube cooking channel. Today I'm going to introduce very easy rolls recipe. Anyone can make this, so don't miss this. Watch my video until the end. Now we have to prepare the fillings. I use fish and potatoes for my fillings. So first boil the fish and potatoes. Gather the fillings you would like to use for your rolls. After boiling fish and potatoes, now peel off the potatoes well. Chop potatoes. Remove fish bones. I take onions and curry leaves for my filling. First cut onions and curry leaves. Switch on the flame. Put the pan and add oil. Add onions. Fry it well. Curry leaves. Add chili pieces little bit. Add chopped fish pieces. Put salt. Add chopped potatoes. You can check whether salt enough or not. Add pepper a little bit. Sift the filling mixture into another plate. Let it cool. Take bread slices. I took 6 bread slices, so I can make 6 rolls. Cut the edge. This step is optional, but if you want to get neat appearance for your rolls, you have to follow this step. Use a rolling pin and roll to thin. If you don't have rolling pin, you can use a glass bottle. Take fresh milk. You can use melted milk powder or water, anything you have. Apply milk around the slice of bread. Keep your mind, don't apply middle. Put fillings amount of small. Otherwise be difficult to roll the bread slice. Roll it very slowly. Apply fresh milk both sides. I took 2 eggs to make egg mixture. Biscuit powder. Put a roll into egg mixture. Coat with biscuit powder. Make every rolls like this. Finally, we have to fry these rolls until golden brown. Hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Remember, cooking is all about creativity and making dishes that suit your taste. So don't be afraid to experiment with different fillings and flavors. If you tried out this recipe or plan to give it a shot, let me know in the comment below. I would love to hear how your rolls turned out and what fillings you used. Your feedback means the world to me and helps me Create more content you love. If you are new here, consider subscribing to Madhu's Plates YouTube cooking channel for more mouth-watering recipes, cooking tips and food adventures. Here's our crispy rolls. So guys, see you again. Bye bye.